Hi, my name's Andrew, and today we're not going to be planting vegetables. We're going to be planting flowers. Guys, this is Crocus. It's one of the first flowers that show up in spring. That's right, the very first one. Sometimes, even if there's still snow on the ground, they just pop up. As these guys are underneath the ground, like all the other plants are like freezing. But these guys are like, pretty cold, but I'm already getting ready to bloom. Like, how tough are these guys? Let's get them in the ground. So, this is everything you're gonna need to do this. Well, first, of course, you're gonna need the crocus bulbs, because, like, how are you gonna plant the flowers if you don't have the bulbs for the flowers? Second, you need a hand shovel. Third, you need some chicken wire to keep out the squirrels. Fourth, you'll need some staples to pin down the chicken wire so like squirrels can't get to the bulbs. So long, squirrels. So here's how you plant them. So first, get your hand shovel, and then get a bulb. And you can just set it aside for now. So I plant them about like 3 inches deep, 3 or 2 inches. Yeah, so it tells me right here, 3 inches. So I'm gonna right there and use my body weight to go down. So see, it's right there, good enough. And then I'm gonna go forward, go back just a couple times if you want to. And then pull it out. Then there's your hole. Come look at the hole, guys, if you can't see it. I just found a grub. Well, I'll be right back. Find this guy in the board feeder. John Cena! Okay, so find this pointy side. Make sure it's facing up. You want the pointy side, so you want the pointy side facing up. And just put it in, just like that. Then, cover it back up. Pat, pat, pat. Now, we just have to do this 55 more times. Right there is your hole. Grab it, pointy side up, just like that. Then boom. Here's our final step. Just take out a giant chunk of chicken wire that you have laying around, the size of like where you planted, and take your staple and then put them down. And then when the ground gets like cold, freezing, then you can take them out, get rid of the chicken wire, because squirrels won't be able to dig in freezing cold ground. You can just keep them in until the spring, because that's totally fine too, but I just prefer taking it out when the ground freezes. I really hope you liked my video. And did you plant any spring flowers? If you did, make sure you comment down below, because I would really like to know what you guys planted. So make sure you hit that bell, thumbs up, and make sure you like and subscribe. Bye! Oh yeah, one more quick thing. Make sure you don't forget about my Q&A video. I'm still answering some questions. Make sure you don't miss out on that. And who knows, maybe your comment will be in my video. Bye! it.